Here are some tips on how to prepare for fire season. Most importantly, know your risk and have your bushfire safety plan ready. Templates are available from the CFA. Clean up outdoor areas by trimming trees and bushes, clearing gutters of debris, removing flammable items like firewood piles, gas bottles or fuel cans, and store well away from your home, and keep exits clear of obstructions. Then, check your roof tiles to ensure there are no gaps or cracked tiles. Fit seals around windows and doors to help prevent smoke entering your home. Consider installing non-combustible fencing. Fences made of metal, bricks or concrete won't emit embers if burned. Know where your water points are and inspect pipes and sprinkler systems for leaks. If you use a fire trailer or water pump, ensure it's in good working order. Make sure your home insurance is current and covers you for the right items and structures. In your emergency kit, include important documents like passports and ID. Pack essential items like prescriptions, first aid and toiletries. Also, non-perishable food items, water, battery-powered radios, torches, spare batteries, and protective wool blankets. Make sure your kit caters to your pets too, with enough food and appropriate carriers for safe transport. Remember, leaving early is the best strategy. Next, these apps can help you during the bushfire season. Vic Emergency is an information app for official emergency warnings and incidents. Download the app and set up watch zones early in order to receive location-specific alerts. You can also use the app to learn about the new fire danger rating system. ABC Listen is an app by the national broadcaster that allows users to listen to local radio, providing real-time information and updates. Bomb Weather is the official app from the Bureau of Meteorology. It provides weather updates, warnings and forecasts. Get Prepared is an app from the Australian Red Cross that offers resources for preparing for emergencies. Now, there's a few tips for bushfire safety while on holiday. Check the Vic Emergency app for warnings and fire danger ratings before you leave. On days of extreme or catastrophic fire danger rating, avoid travelling through bushfire risk areas. Ensure your car is regularly serviced and in good working order. If you need a new battery, RACV Emergency Roadside Assistance is here to help. Protect your vehicle and stay safe with RACV. Don't forget to check that your car and caravan insurance is up to date and make sure you're adequately covered. From here, check that your tyres have sufficient tread and are properly inflated. Lastly, pre-plan the safest travel routes in case of emergency.